Hi everybody, welcome to my channel once again, and for those that don't know me, my name is Gladys. And well, in today's video we're going to be doing a DIY travel map inspired type of tutorial. So if you're somebody that loves traveling or aspires to travel in the future, you are in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so you'll need the following for this DIY. A world map, a corkboard, the bigger the better, photos of the places you've traveled to, pin tags, yarn and scissors, a hot glue gun, and stickers of your choice. Mine are kinda cartoonish, but I'm sort of into that type of stuff. And mini clothespins. We're gonna start off by positioning the map in our corkboard. I decided to center mine. And now with our hot glue gun or glue of your choice, we are going to set this down. I will start with the 4 back corners of my map. Once that's all settled, we are ready to pin our map down. I do suggest that you write down a list of all the locations you've been to so you won't forget any. This list will also come very handy when printing your photos. That way you don't print out 2 of the same location or you miss one. So yeah, make that list. It's gonna help you out for this DIY. Another suggestion that I have when looking for a map is that you consider that it has not just the countries, but also the states, the cities, the important landmarks, because they don't always show that, and it is very helpful when they do. So yeah, consider that when picking out your map. Once we have all of our pins down, it is time to add the photos. And with our yarn, we are going to go around our pins as so, and kind of pick out a place in the corkboard of where you want to position that photo. Now do have in mind you do not need the mini clothespins. That's more of a personal preference, but you can definitely glue down the photo directly to the corkboard. But if you do decide to get them, this is what it looks like. I think it's super cute. Now, something that I realized as I was adding all of my photos is that I was misusing a lot of the space in my board. So I think something smarter to do is actually position all the photos down first and then glue them and pin them down as you go. That way you can fit as many photos as possible. Another suggestion is that you cut out unnecessary space in photos. That way you can fit more. Another extra step I decided to add was the location of where I was in that exact photo, just because in case family and friends were to come and see it, they wouldn't really be able to tell from the map exactly where it was. So I thought it was helpful adding that little extra detail. And ta-da, that's it. What do you think? I simply love the idea, so please share the video with any travelers that you know out there. And 2 quick tips, okay? The first one, if you do not have a corkboard, get creative. You can use a poster, you can use maybe a wall. You know, you don't have to spend that money. And the second one, if you haven't really traveled but you aspire to do so, what you can do is make the map, but because obviously you don't have those pictures of yourself in that location, you can just use postcards. You can print out these photos of the locations you want to visit from the internet or cut them off of a magazine. And once you actually travel in the future to that location, print out that photo of you in there and then replace it with that photo that you have there in the meantime, and that will also keep you kind of focused. I'm kind of a visual person, so that works great for me. So just a little tip that might work for you as well. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Comment down below what location you would like to travel to. I think I really want to go to China. I don't know. Or if there's a location that you've traveled to and you're like, it's incredible, you need to visit it, please also comment it down below, because I am kind of in the itch of booking another trip soon, and I don't know where to go. I don't know. There's a few places in mind, but it never hurts to look at other references. So please do so. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. I send you cyber hugs and cyber kisses. Till next time. Bye-bye.